this video, we're going to talk about how you can go ahead and view the leads. So I'm on the leads page right now. To go back, you go ahead and click agents. You'll see the squares. The squares means these are active agents that you created. You can resume it, you can pause it, you can view the history, you can edit it, you can delete it. So if I want to view it, select what agent that you want to do, click view history. For every agent, you'll see all the days worked hard for you, how many jobs it scraped, how many leads it generated for you. To view the leads, go ahead and click view leads. Now, this is super cool. As you can see, I got a good number of leads here. I mean, this alone would take me hours and hours each day. You can see for every lead, I'm getting match fit score depending on my business and what I'm specializing in. Flynt deems this lead to be 99%. It gives me a summary and a criteria. For every lead, I get pictures or the profile initials, their name, their title, LinkedIn profile, and their email. It will also show me the company they're at, the summary criteria summary, and position they are looking for to hire. You can click on any lead and it'll expand on more detailed information about the overview of the match, the contact information, professional profiles, and company. You can also click on the tabs left, profile, for more in-depth on the background of the lead, the company they're at. It shows you their funding history, how big they are, last round, along with what their tech stack is, domain services, hosting, email, and many, many more to help you be hyper-personalized. You can also click on the hiring posting for the actual job posting. You can click this button here to take you to the actual active job posting. So if I click on that, it'll take me to, let's say, LinkedIn. Beautiful. It'll take me to a company news if applicable, and it'll also give me 4 different personalization angles. So based on different signals. So this is based on the company, based on the lead's background, job, and the company. And you can always thumbs up, thumbs down, and whatever you thumbs up, Flynt will learn what kind of angles that you actually like. And then you can just copy and paste these into your campaigns, or you can just click add to campaigns, connect your inbox, and do that automatically. If I were to pick another example, you can see, oh, this person, Julie, I have 5 company articles, amazing. And as you know, every single news is not completely relevant to personalizing when it comes to reaching out. So what Flynt will do is it will go through all the recent news and identify the ones that are most unique and most relevant to reaching out, to picking up that job and creating conversation. So here you can see one of the jobs are created news. One more thing to note is that every single lead here that you get every day are companies that are posting specific job titles in the past 24 hours. They're as hot as they can be before any job seekers, before any other recruiting agencies. So the best practice is to get these leads, review them, and then click add to campaign. Ideally, if they all look good, add all of them to campaigns, select the ones that you want and create a campaign, fire them off, and do that every single day, right? So just make sure you can kind of mark a couple minutes, maybe half an hour at most each day, firing off your leads every single day. The best way to get clients is to have consistent activity. So you get the leads, you fire them off to campaigns, and you do that day in, day out, day in, day out. And then you focus on the rest of the day on whatever else that your business requires.